Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring stable power and a clean signal. Plug the dock into a 100W USB-C PD charger or the included adapter so the Ally charges under load. This prevents throttling. Once done, connect a display port or HDMI to one cable from the dock to the TV or monitor to get full resolution and refresh rate. Make sure to attach Ethernet if you want lower latency or faster downloads. The wired connection bypasses Wi-Fi variability. You now dock the Ally carefully. Align the USB-C port and press until you feel a secure click so power, video, and peripherals route correctly. After docking, switch your monitor input and open Windows display settings to choose resolution and refresh rate that match the screen. This avoids frame pacing issues. Then open Armory Crate to select performance profiles or GPU modes. This controls thermals and power delivery to maintain consistent frame rates while docked. Finish by attaching your controllers, keyboard, mouse, and external drives using the dock's USB ports or Bluetooth. You want low latency input and fast asset streaming. Once connected, check audio routing in Windows or select dock HDMI audio so sound plays through the TV or receiver. If things go wrong, reboot the Ally while docked, reset cables, and check for dock or Ally firmware updates. These fixes resolve most handshake or display detection failures quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.